Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to talk about a skincare product that is creating a lot of buzz lately, and I'm talking about this brand called Cosrx, which you all would already know. Now this is a Korean brand, and today we are going to talk about the 6 peptide skin booster serum. What exactly is the 6 peptide skin booster serum? Now, this is actually formulated and curated to actually improve the skin texture and to help with the fine lines on our skin, and also it helps to hydrate our skin. Now, this is all because of the 6 peptide complex in it. It's lightweight, it absorbs into the skin very quickly, and the most important thing that it claims is it actually promises to give your skin a youthful glow. So let's talk on how this product looks and feels. So this is something the product looks like, and I love the fact that they have written so much, like they have given so much information right in the bottle. How do you use it, a little description, the direction, and also they have actually mentioned the 6 peptide that they have used in here, which I'm going to read out loud, which is going to be like fun facts and it is going to be amazing. So let's quickly do that. Number one is SH polypeptide 1 to 1. Now this actually helps in collagen boosting and also plumps your skin. The next peptide is acetyl hexapeptide 8. Now, this actually helps to smooth fine lines and with firmness. Now, the another one is dipeptide diaminobutyral um, benzeminide dicetate, and this actually helps with excess sebum and also helps with pores care. And another peptide it has is palmitol tripeptide 8, which actually helps to soothe and reduce skin sensitivity. The fifth peptide we have is oligopeptide 68, which is actually used to brightening the skin. And the last peptide is copper tripeptide 1, which actually is used for blemishes and to retexture the skin. Just reading all of these right here on the product feels so good, because you're going to invest so much money on the product, and to know exactly what this is going to do to your skin feels so wonderful. Now let's talk about the texture. Now I love the fact, Handa sweaty, I love the fact that it comes with like this pump and then there's a lid on top so that it's safe and it's travel friendly. Now this has like water texture. I'm just gonna keep it straight and you would see that all the water is like moving downwards. It's extremely lightweight, as they have said already, and it really penetrates in your skin and you can actually look at the difference. I actually use about 2 to 3 pumps and I just apply it and pat it on my skin. And then, if I really think I need a little more, sometimes I just do skincare and I really feel I need a little more to just give like more plump to it, and so that more products seep in my skin. I generally use like 2 more pumps. So ideally 3 pumps are enough, but in case you want to, put another layer, you can definitely do that. They have already mentioned that in case you feel that you need another 2 layers, you can actually go with it. It doesn't feel sticky at all. It feels so good, and it just absorbs in your skin within a minute, and then you can actually layer your other skin care products. This is absolutely stunning when it comes to the texture. Okay, there is something interesting that I want to talk about now. When it comes to skincare, I also check if the product is clean or no. Now, what do I mean by clean? Now, it actually says that it is, the animal testing is not done, which means no to animal testing. There is no fragrance in there. There is no paraben. There is no sulfate, and there is no phthalates in it, which means this is actually a clean product, which I really, really like in terms of, all the chemicals that are put in, and also no to animal testing. So I quite like that part of it. Also, a fun thing that I actually studied was, which I have right here, is like there was clinical trials that were done at the Derma Cosmetics Skin Science Laboratory Co. Limited. So it was done, and it actually have a data where the changes that were felt in the skin. So there were 37.9% users who actually saw a visible difference in like brightness, 162.50% in hydration, 76.42% in skin texture, 22.22% in density, 24.58% in radiance, and 40.11% in clarity. This is the data that I have right here, that when the clinical trials were done, this is how people have rated, or how they have felt. So this is something which is like really, really amazing. Now let's move on. What is my take on the product after using it for like 3 months? So before buying this product, I actually did a little research where I had its pros and its cons. But I was actually looking for a product which will actually help me with the fine lines which I have right here on the creases of my eyes. And then I was looking for something which will help and brighten my skin, only because I was traveling so much, and also looking for something which will hydrate my skin, because it was all winter and my skin felt super dry. So I really wanted one product that works its magic. So when I brought this, or when I tried looking up for a product and I saw this product, I was a little hesitant, because this product cost 2050, which is 2050, which is really, really expensive. But I actually got this on a Nika sale with a little 10% of a discount. But as soon as I started using this, I tried it for straight 3 weeks first, because like I always say, consistency is the key. You cannot apply it on the first day and feel the difference or see the difference. I used it for 3 weeks, and I could actually feel my skin super hydrated. However, I did not see anything in terms of fine lines or with brightness. But after using it consistently for over 2 months, I could actually see my face where it was like brightened. It actually matched with my like neck. I mean, my skin tone on my face and my body were literally matching, which was like something I was looking for, because I've got like crazy pigmentation. I've got different skin tones across my body. So that was something I was looking for, which I achieved, which I'm so happy about. So ideally, if you're someone who's looking for hydration to help your skin with fine lines and also with brightening, I would highly recommend this. This actually will suit a lot of skin types, but I would not recommend this for a sensitive skin type, because it has like an alcohol ingredient in there, which would not be ideal for a sensitive person. So I wouldn't say this is like a very clean product, because it does have a little alcohol which is used to stabilize the product. So when I did like a patch test, it did not harm my skin. So I was all okay with it, because it did suit my skin type. But if you're someone who has sensitive skin, I would highly recommend that if a friend of yours or family member, whoever has this, do a patch test, because this is extremely pricey. Also, do a patch test. If this works for you, great. If not, then avoid it. Apart from that, all the other skin types should not face any issues. But having said that, please do a patch test before you apply this on your face and cross your neck. Yes, that's about it. My final verdict, because this is an expensive product, all I would say is, if you're someone who is looking for an anti-aging product, I would then advise or suggest that you incorporate this product in your daily routine. But apart from that, if you're someone who's looking for brightening your skin or for like acne, there are several different products out there which you will find in a on a cheaper price, so you can grab that. This is specially targeted or formulated for fine lines and for hydration. So I think, like I said, if you want something for your anti-aging routine, you can really add this one because it is a game changer. But apart from that, I think you can totally skip it if you're looking for something different apart from this, because it really helped me with the fine lines and also with hydrating and plumping my skin. I really hope that I was able to break down everything that you would want to hear about a product. If there is something that I have missed and you want me to incorporate in the other review videos, please, please, please put that in the comment section below, because it will also help me to understand what exactly are you looking for in a review when I review it. So yes, that was about it. And yes, you know the drill. Like, share, subscribe if you like the video, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye. Love, love.